Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Today's product review is a new product that just arrived, as it says right here, just introduced in October of 2022. And it's called the Parker PTABK Stainless Steel Adjustable Barber Razor. So it's a Shavette razor, but it's adjustable. Similar to the Rockwell, the way the plates are flippable and you can adjust it that way, this razor is very similar. I'll read to you what they say about it, and then we'll get into the razor. I'll show you how to switch out the inserts and the blades as well. Just introduced in October of 2022, Parker's PTABK Stainless Steel Adjustable Barber Razor comes with 3 inserts, each with a different blade exposure so you can customize your shave. You can choose an insert with low, medium, or high blade exposure, depending upon your specific task, skill level, skin type, or beard growth. It's like having 3 different razors in one. Parker's Shavette razors are used in barber shops and shave parlors worldwide. This razor has an insert which you load the blade into. You then slide the insert back into the blade arm with the blade. Unlike most Shavettes, our razor has a stainless steel blade arm and handle with an elegant black finish, not lower quality aluminum. Just pick your favorite double-edged blade, snap it in half, insert it in the razor, and you're off. No sharpening or honing required. I'll interject this. We also sell the half blades already pre-split, so you don't have to snap a safety razor blade in half. We have 100 packs of half blades ready to go. Just remove one from the paper, insert it into the Shavette, you're good to go. Insert number 1, low blade exposure. Useful for light beard growth or bulk shave jobs, hot towel shaves, etc., where a lower, more stable blade exposure is needed. Insert 2, medium blade exposure. Most all-around usage with moderate blade exposure for many different shaving tasks. Insert 3, high blade exposure. Useful for more detailed work and shape-ups where more visible blade exposure is required. For example, lining up your beard, mustache, close, sharp lines, nice and straight. Number 3 will be great for that. Razor type, adjustable push type, Barber Shavette razor. Takes half of a double-edged blade. Weight 1.7 ounces, length 5.5 inches. Handle material stainless steel with black finish. Razor arm stainless steel with black finish. Check that blade reveal is even, adjust if needed. Do not contact sharp edge of blade when loading or unloading. That's common sense, we all know that. Don't touch the sharp edge of the blade. So it's the PTABK. If you want to pick it up, just enter SN896 in the search box. At ShaveNation.com, it'll pop right up, or PTABK, it'll pop right up. Here's the box it comes with. If you buy it from Shave Nation, it comes with this packet that we put together for you. It's about 7 different half blades in their individual wrappers, ready to drop right into this razor or any Shavette razor, other than the feather razors that use the proprietary blades. You can use these blades that we send with for free. So get it at Shave Nation. You get 7 different brands of blades. Sometimes 6, 7, 8, depending on what we have in stock. The number will vary, but each blade is a different brand, so you can test out the different brands of blades and see what you like best. Let's remove it from the package. Remove the sleeve right here. It's a very attractive looking inside, red velvet interior, nice and soft. Here's the Shavette itself, 2 inserts above it, 1 insert already in the razor, and an instruction sheet. Let's check this out. Parker adjustable push type razor. That's the instruction sheet. We'll set that down for now. Let me remove the Shavette from the carton right there. And there's the 2 inserts. And there's already 1 in the razor when you get it. Here's what it looks like. Parker safety razor right there. It is a nice black satin finish. Just open it up fully like that. And then you can just take your thumb and push the insert toward the front. Just like that, and it pops right out. So this one, as they said, they're labeled low, medium, and high. This one is low. This one is high. The medium is the one that comes pre-installed in the Shavette razor. This is the medium. So to load the blade, you can take a double-edged blade like this, put it in the wrapper, fold the paper over so it protects your fingers, fold the blade over until it snaps twice, once, twice. Then you can open it back up, and your standard double-edged safety razor blade is now in 2 pieces instead of 1. And you can use either one of these. So that gives you more shaves per blade as well. Here's a Parker blade that is already split. You just drop that right into the insert, like so. It looks like that. There's a couple of tabs. Let me show you from this side. There's 2 tabs. You just slide it up against those 2 tabs, and that's the space you want to be in. That's the spot you want to be in right there. So what you do now is just take it, slide it right back in, right into the front of the razor, like so, all the way up, and it locks the blade in place, just like that. You want to push it back till it won't go any further, which is right there. Check the reveal. You can see it's perfectly straight. If you need to adjust it, don't use your finger. You can use a blade pack, something that's not going to damage the blade. Just make sure it's pushed down all the way, like so. You're good to go. Here's what it looks like from the other side. So you get your shave on. When you're all done, you can leave it in there, or if you want to remove it, again, just push it forward all the way. Remove the insert. Here's what the blade looks like in the insert. You can just pull that right out like so, and you can switch inserts. If you want to go with the high insert, let's insert it into the high insert. That's what it looks like. So what that does, it'll give you a little more blade reveal when you slide it back in. Let's see how this one looks. Here's the Parker blade installed in the high insert. So now what you do, just flip it around, insert that right into the Shavette, push it forward, don't touch the blade again. You can see how much higher that blade reveal is. Let's make sure it's down the way. Just making sure it's down all the way, sorry. Just tapping it. And you can see there's a little bit more blade reveal on the high. Less reveal on the medium, and even less on the low. Let's check out the low. Sliding it forward, pulling it out, removing the blade, easy. Here's the half blade installed into the lower insert. We'll just take this, insert it directly into the Shavette, push it forward. You can see, make sure it's down all the way. It is. The blade reveal on the low insert, as you can see, is very slight. Then it would be more on the medium and even more on the large. You close it up. You can store it like that, or you can remove the blade. When you're done with it, drop it into your Shave Nation disposable razor blade bank for safekeeping. When that fills up, you can remove the bottom, empty the blades, and reuse it again. All right, so that's it. I haven't shaved with this yet, but I can't do it today because I'm already clean shaven. You don't want to see me shave nothing. You want to see me shave some actual beardage. So next video or two, you'll probably see me shaving with this bad boy. Something new on the market. As I said, an adjustable Shavette razor with low, medium, and high inserts. Pretty interesting. A novel idea. Kind of similar to the Rockwell safety razors, where you flip the plates and you're not technically adjusting, but you are flipping plates, which increases or decreases the blade reveal. Same situation here with this Shavette. Swap out the insert, change the blade reveal from low to medium to high. Here's a look at the instructions. We'll post one of these so you can have a good look and have a good read. When you get bored, you can check it out. If you want to pick up this razor, the Parker Adjustable Shavette, just click down below the video where it says show more or more. You can grab it right there, or go to shavenation.com, enter PTABK or SN896 in the search box. It'll pop right up. Please do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 500 videos out there now, shaving and more. Couldn't do it without you, so thank you for your support. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.